Hello, students of class 7 of Vidya Bhavan School. Hope you are all doing well. So, today we will give revision on the chapter formula and their application, and from that chapter, we will be discussing some of the sums from exercise number 13. Most of you have said in the class that you are having problem in this chapter, so I have picked few important sums, and I will be solving all those sums. So from exercise number 13 we will discuss sum number 21. So in sum number 21 it is given, if a plus b equals to 5 and ab equals to 6, find the value of a square plus b square. Okay, so we have been given the value of a plus b. Okay, so the value of a plus b is how much? 5, and the value of ab is 6. Okay, so a plus b is 5. We will do squaring both sides. Squaring both sides mean in the left side we will also do the square, and in the right side we will also do the square. So we can write like this: a plus b whole square equals to 5 square, right? So this will give us a square plus b square plus 2ab equals to 25. So we know the value of, we have been asked to find out the value of a square plus b square, right? So a square plus b square, we know the value of 2ab, so that is, it is given here, it is how much? 6. So 6 equals to 25. So this will be a square plus b square plus 12 equals to 25. So a square plus b square, this 12 will go this side. So a square plus b square equals to 30. So we have got the answer. Right? I hope this is clear. Okay. So let us do one more of this type. So let us do sum number 23. In sum number 23 it has been said that if x plus y equals to 12 and xy equals to 35, find the value of x minus y whole square. Not similar, but not identical, but similar type of sums. Okay, so let's do it. I hope this sum is clear. So the sum which we will solve now is sum number 23. So we have been given the value of x plus y. So x plus y equals to 12 and xy equals to 35, and we have been asked to find out the value of x minus y whole square. Now see one thing, x minus y whole square can also be written as x plus y whole square minus 4xy. Why? Just see, x plus y whole square mean x square plus y square plus 2xy minus 4xy. So it will ultimately give me x. This part you need to do. I am doing this step so that you can understand. So x square plus y square minus 2xy plus 2xy minus 4xy. So we will get minus 2xy, and this is nothing but the formula of x minus y whole square. So we can write x minus y whole square as x plus y whole square minus 4xy, right? So just put the value 12 squared minus 4 into 35. So 12 square is 144 and 4 into 35 is 140. So we will get x minus y whole square as 4. So this is the answer. Okay, so you can just note it here, that thing, x minus y whole square equals to x plus y whole square minus 4xy. This we are getting by just expanding x square plus y square plus 2xy minus 4xy, which is x square plus y square minus 2xy, like this. Okay, so this much for this video. We will continue in the next video. I hope you have understood. Thank you.